Hey guys, it's September 8th. Back. Just real quick trade right here. Market profile broken a while back. It's still moving up. We're in an uptrend. Got a pretty deep pullback, and you can see I'm using two different charts. One is a three Simrenko. One's a 5 Simrenko. And basically the market profile was a little bit different. So just got filled on two contracts, just 4 contracts there. Let's see. Next target, looking for this thing to move up to about the $46 range. So I got some contracts still up here. Probably one at the 90, at least up to the 46. And we've been moving up quite a lot already. So we just, once we kind of break this high, this 45.80 that we had earlier, looking for this thing to continue moving. But main thing is that you have these profile areas that develop because of support. So if it comes back down, you gotta kind of look at the last high that was at, and a longer term time frame is a little bit easier to see that, and that's kind of why you have that there. And we're looking for this thing to continue moving up because we still got a little bit of time before the US market opens, and it could continue to go directional because we've already moved like over 100 ticks almost since the first buy area, which is around the $45 area. And on the 3 sim, let's see, yeah, about the 45.10. So I've seen this thing move about 100 ticks at least in one move once it breaks out. So at that point, then it could exhaust and turn back around. But just want to do a quick trade on there, and was able to do that using the 5 Simrenko. So just want to show you that, guys, real quick. And we'll see if this thing can really push. If not, we'll come back down. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But was able to lock in. Let's see where I get in at the 45.56, around there, 45.56. Took some targets at the what was that, 75.80 ish area. So that was about 20 ticks, a little over 20 ticks off of that. So 2 contracts, it's about $400. So, and I got 2 contracts still waiting, unless I get stopped out here. If it moves up again a little bit further, there'll be another what's that, where I get in 50, 60, so 10, 20, 30, 40, looking about 30, 40 ticks total off these 2 contracts that are left over. So that would be between $300 to $400 each, so between $600 to $800 total I'm looking to make off of these 2 remaining contracts. Right now still in it, hovering around 260, looks like 280 as far as total profit right now remaining on here. So make about $1,000 off of this trade if this thing goes to the target. So we'll see if this thing can really push up from here. Just needs to break out of this area right now. But main point is pull back into market profile area, and in an uptrend you can buy. Okay, breaks out, pull back, buy. Same thing every day that we do. Alright, guys, of course the first breakout is always the best. First time breakout, come back down, retest the profile area, and then you buy. But if it's a strong trend like it is right now, let me show you on Thinkorswim. Pretty strong trend, as you can see. Literally the moving averages are like vertically moving up like that. So whenever we see a pullback, that's a pretty good opportunity to buy, and we were able to do that right here. What was that, 45.56 right there. Nice confirmation, came down, bounced, right, and then took off after that, up to the 45, almost 80 at that point. So see if this thing can push up even further. Got a little bit of time before, about an hour before the market opens, so this thing could continue and then could have more momentum, or it could just reverse. But that's why we have our stops in place, right? And we'll see how long this thing goes. Okay, guys, that's it. I'll close this video out. Just want to show you guys real quick live trade on that, and same concept, right? It's always pull back into market profile, and when it tests it and you see it push away from it, that's when you take a trade. Alright guys, so close that out. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you guys soon.